enlightenment into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively show as much kindness and consideration for myself as others, and live with energy, enthusiasm and interest.
Yes.
There is nothing you can't do. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly and supportively show as much kindness and consideration for myself as others, and live with energy, enthusiasm and interest. And isn't that exactly what you said before? You like to treat other people the way that you would like to be treated.
Yeah, that's right.
You need to treat yourself the way that you would like to be treated as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And part of it's owning what you want. So maybe it is. Maybe it's about thinking about it, putting a wish list. Well, what could I do if I could do anything?
Yeah. You always give me food for thought.
Yeah, okay. So then we're just going to do a little connection between you and your 13th chakra, which is about just connecting. It's just about connecting to that God energy or that universal energy or... Do it through the heart chakra. Okay. Yeah, and it's the energy of I choose and I am. Yeah. Yeah, nice. Okay, that's clear. Yeah, so when that energy is disconnected or we're not connecting, we can't conceive of what we can do. You can't even think about it. You can't
right.
get there.
Yeah.
The thoughts just don't come into your mind. Yeah, but what do you mean? What could I do?
No, my biggest goal at the moment is lose the weight.
Exactly.
Just look wonderful.
Exactly. Feel like $1 million.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, I know you will, but send me a photo on the weekend.
Yes.
Doing a I feel fabulous post.
Yes.
There you go. This is a new program for this body.
Yes, keep it.
Yeah, the old program is no longer necessary now in the future. I deserve the best.
Yes, look at that.
I deserve health and happiness. I deserve love. Beautiful. Good stuff. Yay! High five!
Yes! Wow! That was very good. Thanks.
That was fabulous.